Hey, this is Michael, and welcome back to me and Paul's channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to find a real estate agent when I'm investing in another state. Before I dive into this video, for those of you who are new, we talk about buying real estate, selling real estate, and all the exit strategies we use, like virtual wholesaling, buying and managing rental properties locally and out of state, renovation projects, private lending, owner financing, and more. Please subscribe to our channel because we have new videos coming out every week. With that said, I'm going to dive into today's video, how to find a real estate agent when I'm investing in another state. There are some ways that we do it. Again, it's not a complete list, but here's some helpful ways. If you're not already in one, I recommend joining a mastermind group. There's different mastermind groups in the industry that are nationwide. You meet investors all throughout the country, learn and share ideas. And if you happen to buy a property in one of someone's states in your group, reach out to them and ask them for a real estate agent referral. Same goes, another way to do this is to look out and see if there's any local real estate investment groups or REIAs. You could reach out to those REIAs or local investor groups, join them, and then gain access into kind of get some referrals for qualified real estate agents that they recommend. Another example is if you're buying an REO on auction, ask the REO agent. Ask them what the as-is price is. Is there any interest in the property? What does it need? What's the after repair value? They're a great source and usually have great inside knowledge on the area and what the numbers are. For example, one deal we did recently, it was an auction in Tucson, Arizona. We've purchased properties through this REO agent before, and they really know the Tucson, Arizona market. We purchased the REO auction property from them, renovated it, and then are now reselling it. So they're a great resource as well. And then the last one is good old Google search, and find a certain town that you're gonna purchase a property, or a certain area of that city. Find a few different local agents, look at their online reviews, and then call them once you narrow it down and interview a few of them and kind of get a feel of what their knowledge is on the property. They might go and visit it to you if you're telling me you want to list it. And that's a great way to find agents as well. We recently did this on a North Carolina deal where we went into a new market where we knew no one, and we purchased the property from a wholesaler. Initially thought we were just going to buy it and relist it on the MLS. Upon talking to the agent, they found some things that we didn't see when we purchased it from the wholesaler, and we're now going in the process of rehabbing it. However, they were a great resource. We know what we can make afterwards fixed up. They gave some recommendations for rehab and what to do, provided a list of different roofers, contracts, HVAC people. So those are 3-4 different ways where you're going into a different state to find a real estate agent. And that way you can wholesale, rehab, buy rental properties anywhere across America. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you like. Thanks, and see you in the next video.